Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm showing you how to crochet this easy lace glove. It will be perfect for Halloween or just wear them anytime you like. I used cotton yarn for this project. This is a number 1 super fun yarn. A 3.5mm hook, a pair of scissors, and yarn needle. This is my crochet ring. It is to help ease the pain on my finger when I crochet so that the yarn is not pulling my finger. And I highly recommend it if you crochet a lot. The link is in the description box. Alright, let's get started. To begin the pattern, make a slip knot and make a chain in multiple of 3. I'm making 33 chains. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Once the chain is made, make sure it is long enough to wrap around your hand like this. We are going to form a ring, so make sure your chain is not twisted and go to the first chain at the end. Turn to the back and slip stitch into the back of the first chain, which is the little bump at the back of the chain. And I always like to carry the tail with me. 1 chain. In the same chain, place a single crochet. Insert, yarn over, pull up a loop, yarn over, pull through 2 loops, and single crochet into the next chain. Single crochet into every chain all around. By the end of the round, there will be 33 stitches, and I made you on round 2. To begin round 2, slip stitch into the first stitch. Five chains. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Skip 1, skip 2, slip stitch. 5 chains. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Skip 1, skip 2, slip stitch. 5 chains. And repeat this all the way around. At the end of round 2, we have 2 stitches left. And to begin round 3, slip stitch into the chain space, 5 chains. Slip stitch into the chain space, 5 chains. Slip stitch, 5 chains. Repeat round 3 for another 3 or 4 rounds until we get to the thumb. I just finished round 6 and I think it fits pretty good. And the next part is the thumb area. So slip stitch into the next chain space and make a chain that's long enough to go around your thumb. And I'm making 15 chains. And slip stitch into the next chain space, 5 chains. slip stitch, 5 chains. Repeat this all the way around. Once we're back to this long chain, slip stitch into the chain space, 5 chains, slip stitch into the next chain space, 5 chains. Just continue slip stitch, 5 chain, slip stitch, 5 chain until it is the length you want. I stopped when my glove is at 9 inches. From here, slip stitch into the next chain space, 1 chain, and place 4 single crochet into the chain space. 1, 2, 3, 4, and 4 single crochet into the next chain space. 1, 2, 3, 4, and place 4 single crochet into each chain space. There is no specific number of stitches to be placed here. We just want this end to be wider than the other end. Once it's done, cut yarn out of your last stitch and join around with a yarn needle. Insert into the first stitch, then insert into the back loop of the previous stitch. And lastly, fasten off. Then make one more, exact the same for the other hand. And that's all for today. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel, hit the like button and the notification bell, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye!